back to my tutorial for Mere Naseeb mein. So let's start. Alright, fine. We'll start with the last two, Sharma Gayi Main I Hi, and just remember we need to catch I Hi. Alright. So to step with our left leg out, you go Sharma Gayi Main. Now as I mentioned, I Hi, you go fast. Left, right. Perfect. From here you go Ghabra Gayi, again I Hi Hi. So 3. So you go left, right, zoop. First position facing diagonally right. And with this Bichara position. Okay? So from here you go right, left, to go shimmy down, up, shimmy down, up, open. Yeah? From here you go throw, hand. Legs will remain the same and your hand changes. That's all. From here, your leg is lifted, you jump, you go down and kick, down and no. Lovely. From here, you hop to your right, 2 counts, you go hop, out and hop, left side. Lovely. From here, you open right, you go open, back, hand and boom, with your chest. Lovely. From here, just focus on your hands because legs will be same. So you go Mere Naseeb mein tu hai ke nahi. Lovely. Moving ahead, you go hop, twist and click. So it's more of your hip. You go forward to go right shoulder together, right shoulder together. Yeah? This is so lovely. From here, you go back, diagonally left, 2 counts, diagonally right, 2 counts. Lovely. From here, you step your left leg and open and hip, 2 counts. From here, swing motion like a pendulum, you go forward, back, forward and forward. To step your left leg to go Sabka Naseeb and groove. Ta-ra-ra-ra-ra-ra, groove. Stop to go boom. To start Mere Naseeb mein. Shoulder, step your leg and stop. From here, repeat the same thing but different hand gestures. Tere Naseeb mein. Shoulder, whoop, shoulder, whoop. Lovely. From here is the groove step. Let me come a little ahead. No, this is not the step. You go right, left, right, tap. Right, left, right, tap. Basically, you're catching the beat and you're just trying to be firm. Okay? Abhi main music chalaungi so that there's no confusion and we can do this all over again. Come on.